What can 1.1 million get you outside Toronto in 2025? Today, I'm taking you inside this stunning 4+1 bedroom detached home in rural Whitby that just hit the market. If you're tired of cramped city living and dreaming of more space without sacrificing luxury, you need to see this property. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you why this home offers incredible value compared to similar properties in Toronto. Plus, reveal why rural Whitby has become one of the Durham region's most sought-after neighborhoods for a family. Let's go. Hey everyone, Antonio here from AV Team Real Estate. If you're new to the channel, we explore the best neighborhoods and properties across the GTA to help you make smarter real estate decisions. This beautiful home at 25 Christine Elliott Avenue is listed at $1,099,000 with over 2,200 square feet of finished living space. But before we step inside, let me tell you a bit about rural Whitby and why so many families are choosing to move here. Rural Whitby offers something increasingly rare in the GTA: space and tranquility while still being connected to urban amenities. With such over 3,400 residents, this tight-knit community features a mix of older character homes and newer luxury builds like this one. What makes this area special is the perfect balance. You're a minute from Heberdown Conservation Area with its beautiful trails, yet Highway 407 is easily accessible for commuters. Nearly 80% of residents here are homeowners, and about half are families with children. The area attracts a diverse population from 106 different ethnic backgrounds, creating a rich community fabric. For families, the schools are a major draw. This property is near some of Whitby's top-rated schools, making it ideal if educational is a priority for you. Now let's see what this beautiful home has to offer. As you can see, this home makes a strong first impression with its brick exterior and beautiful landscaping. The property sits on a generous 36 by 106 foot lot, giving you plenty of outdoor space. You have a parking for 3 vehicles with an attached garage plus a double wide driveway. Notice the professional landscaping and the south-facing orientation that brings plenty of natural light into the home. What I love about newer builds in rural Whitby is that you get the modern design and finishes that buyers want, but with the space and privacy that's hard to find closer to Toronto. Stepping inside, you immediately greeted by this stunning open concept layout with dark wood flooring throughout, spotlights and elegant ground molding. The formal dining room features these chic wall sconces and a beautiful crystal chandelier, perfect for entertaining guests or family gatherings. Moving into living space, check out this sleek fireplace accent wall with built-in shelving and custom ceiling LED lighting. The large window and the zebra blinds bring in tons of natural light. Now let's check out what might be my favorite part of this home, the gourmet kitchen. It features quartz countertop, the stainless steel appliances, and also extended cabinetry for maximum storage. This kitchen flows effortlessly into this cozy family room, creating a space for everyday living. What I'm noticing as we walk through is how the layout really maximizes both functionality and style, something my clients are always looking for. Now, as we head upstairs, we have 4 spacious bedrooms, including the primary suite. The primary bedroom features a walk-in closet. Let's take a look. This is the walk-in closet, and we have both sides, one on this side and one on the other side. All the bedrooms have large windows that fill the space with natural light, and the finishes throughout are just top-notch. There are a total of 4 bathrooms in this home, which is perfect for larger family or if you frequently have guests staying over. What stands out to me is the attention to detail in the finishes. From the fixtures to the flooring, everything feels cohesive and high-end. This basement is fully finished with the same quality finishes as the rest of the home, making it seamlessly extension of the living space, rather than an afterthought. With the additional bathroom down here, it could even function as an in-law suite if needed, giving you flexibility as your family needs change over time. So what makes this property such a compelling opportunity at $1,099,000? Let's break it down. First, you're getting over 2,200 square feet of above-grade living space, plus a finished basement on a generous lot. Second, the location in rural Whitby gives you the perfect balance of tranquility and convenience. You're close to top schools, parks, and shopping with easy access to highway for commuters. Third, comparable properties in more urban parts of the GTA would easily cost you $300,000 to $500,000 more, making this an excellent value proposition. And finally, rural Whitby has seen steady appreciation over the years, with strong demand from families looking for more space without sacrificing quality or amenities. For context, similar homes in part of Toronto or even Markham will be priced well over $1.5 million, making this an attractive option for buyers looking to maximize their budget. If you're interested in this property or want to explore other options in rural Whitby, don't wait. Homes in this area typically sell quickly when priced right. Click the link in the description to book a private showing or reach out directly if you have any questions about this property or the rural Whitby market. If you enjoyed this tour, hit the like button and subscribe for more property tours across the GTA. I'm Antonio from AV Team Real Estate, and I'll see you in the next video.